we'll make this exciting helicopter. So let's get started. To make a helicopter, you will need 14 or more fun sticks. Step 1. Take 2 sticks overlapping each other. Step 2. Join a third stick right in the center. Step 3. Bend one side of the stick. Step 4. Now join another stick at the bottom given a look of the alphabet H. Step 5. Join the top end of the stick to the one parallel to it. Step 6. Now join the bottom of the stick exactly the same we did it to the top part. Step 7. Now add 2 sticks at the topmost stick. Bend one of the stick a little. Step 8. Join a stick in the middle of the figure. Step 9. At the right end of the stick, join another stick and so for the left end too. Step 10. Now join the 2 sticks facing outwards with the center sticks forming a curve. Step 11. At the end of the stick, join another stick. Step 12. Join 2 sticks right and left. Step 13. Join another stick on top of the first straight stick. Wow, look at that! A super fun and easy helicopter to add to your art collection.